Take anything serrated, roll it in the middle. My sharpeners will not hurt a serrated knife. They're made to vibrate so they can shatter up through the teeth, top to bottom, all the way through. No metal at all will come out of the teeth, and you will not round them down. Right through the whole entire tooth, sharp as can be. Feel how much sharper that is. Does that work?
Ooh, that's beautiful. How much?
I do them 20 each, 2 for 30. Squeeze it in there tight on the smooth edge, draw through. This side's made to flex so it follows the original edge. That. Use a little leather when you're done, the rough side of your belt, that polishes. That'll get you up a little sharper again. Feel that.
Black one, the second one down.
Alright. Show you a stall. Confirmed all.
Oh yeah, I could have told you.
Okay. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. Our rods are made to adjust so they pick up on any edge. What they're doing is squeezing back, puts the original edge back in the knife. They take very little to no steel off so you don't wear a blade out. They're quicker than stones. Ready for a knife fight. The leather polishes, it gets you a little more.
Gets all the burrs off.
And that'll take you to shaving. Feel that, it'll shave you. Getting here?
Yeah.
There you go. I got these today, 20 bucks each. Benchmade knife. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. They don't tear steel off or change your angles. They're made to put the original bevel back in the blade, taking very little to no steel off the knife itself. You always want to keep original edges. They stay sharper longer and you don't void warranties. Benchmade, way harder than buck knives and case knives. Very hard steel.
We do everything, ladies and gentlemen, right here.
Here you go, what do you think? Feel good? There you go, alright. Look at that. Swiss Army knife, stainless steel.
I was a salesman longer than you've been alive.
Okay, well,
I don't know about that.
Well, then you don't, yeah, but not longer.
Our rods are made to flex so they pick up on original edges. You won't devalue a good knife. They're quick, they're simple, anybody can do
You
it.
get one of 3.
Uh-oh. Oh, look at there, man.
There she is. Hit it on leather when you're done, that polishes. That gets you a little bit more again. Right up in the arm shaving. How's that feel to you? Some hairs.
That's good. How much are they?
But that's not my work knife. So that one should be a little sharper.
Ooh, that one's kind of dull too.
Oh!
Hidden steak.
All you gotta remember, one word.
Watch how quick I'll do this buck knife. You know, on a stone, it'll take you 15 minutes to a couple days. Squeeze them tight, draw through. The rods will adjust so they pick up on the original edge. Takes the guesswork out, puts the original edge up sharp as they'll ever get. As you get sharper, start bringing the back up higher. That. Hit it on leather when you're done, that'll polish it. Get your edge a little bit more again. Shaving sharp. Yeah. There you go, buddy.
Sold me.
Here's a case knife, double X. Typically a harder knife to sharpen. Watch how fast we do it with the block sharpener. You squeeze them in there nice and tight, bring the back of the blade up. Our rods are made to squeeze back so it picks up and follows the original edge. Puts the original bevel up as sharp as it can get, taking very little to no metal out of the blade. We're American made, it's quick, it's simple. That. Hit them on leather when you're done. That polishes your edge. It'll give you a little bit more. Here you go. What do you think?
That's why I brought these along. I can't see without them.
Feel it. You'll feel it.
Sharpening knives with leather.
Yep, you got your knife. I'll show you the work on it. I get them real sharp.
How much is the thing?
I do these for 20 bucks each.
Because I've been scraping floors and doing all kinds of shit with it.
There you go. And feel this. I'm going to make you fall over. Feel these teeth. Watch how sharp they're going to get. Feel these teeth. You can tell everyone it works. Watch this. I've done every kind of serrated knife there's possibly to do. Will not hurt them at all. Take anything serrated right in the middle. This gets a vibration going, chatters it up and down through the teeth, top to bottom. I've done every style possible. It does not hurt them. No metal at all comes off. And it sharpens it right through the entire tooth. Whoop. From the tip to the valley, right on through. That feel sharper? Feel that. Sharper. Anything smooth edge now, draw through. This side's made to follow the original edge. Works the original bevel back in any style blade. That's important when you have good knives. You want to keep it original. They'll stay sharper longer and you don't void a warranty. Made in America, not ding-a-donga. I'll do any blade y'all got. Use your leather belt when you're done. That'll polish it. Takes you up a little bit sharper again. Steak knives, bread, electrics, I do them all. 20 each, 2 for 30.
Whoops,
Oops,
sorry.
Sorry.
Didn't want to cut you there. Now that it's sharp.
Right. Kershaw tonsil blade. Squeeze them in there real tight, make these pins flex, bring the back of the knife up. Our sharpeners are made to adjust to the original edge. When you draw through, you can only get sharper. It takes very little to no steel off. You ain't going to wear a knife out or devalue it. Good on kitchen knives, hunting knives, pocket knives. And they're quick and simple.
There you go. What? Yeah.
Hit them on leather when you're done. That'll polish the edge.
Yep.
I just used the rough side of my leather belt. How's that edge feel
How
for
much
you?
are they?
I do them today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Get some good. Kershaw knife, half serrated. Peel the teeth before I do that. Watch this. I'm the only sharpener that really works on serrated. I've done every style possible. It will not hurt a serrated knife. When you roll steak knives, bread knives, electrics in the middle, it vibrates it, chatters through the teeth, top to bottom. It does not round the teeth down at all. Puts it right through the entire tooth, top to bottom. See how sharp them teeth got. That work? I'll show you on the front part now. On the front part, we made these a spring. You squeeze it tight, bring the back of the blade up. The rod will adjust to your edge so you won't lose what you got, and you can only get sharper when you draw through. Good on filleting knives, hunting knives, pocket knives, kitchen knives. They will adjust to any edge, any angle. I'll show you on yours next. Yeah. Hit them on a piece of leather when you're done. The rough side of your leather belt will work great.
Your window glass was pretty good too.
Window glass too, yep. Show you. Who's that, Gerber?
No, it's Kershaw.
That's Kershaw? Okay. Oh yeah, it is. Squeeze them tight, draw through. That's an oldie there. See, our rods will adjust to any edge because they pick up on the original edges, takes the guesswork out. Feel that, huh? I can get it more, I think.
Doesn't stay. You know, it doesn't hold an edge anymore.
It'll hold that edge though for a while because you're keeping the original bevels now. I'm going to do a quick crisscross. I think your edges are off a little bit.
Oh, I'm sure they are.
That's okay.
They've been heated up on a belt.
Oh, yeah, they ain't good.
Yeah.
It takes the temper out of the knife.
Right.
I'm doing this crisscross so I can get it back in a 22 exactly. Then bring it back up. That should make it sharper.
So my hand goes all the way through. My thumb feels take
Yeah, I can feel it now. Oh yeah, big difference. If the bevels are off just a tiny bit, I just do a quick figure X and that'll get you right back on track.
But out of the belly, whoop, and it goes
See if that'll shave your arm now.
now. It's not gas. But somebody says, shit, I've got a gun. Look out. 92%.
Bushman's knife from the Philippines. Very hard steel. Squeeze them in there tight. When you draw through, our rods squeeze back so they follow that original bevel. You're not tearing the metal out of the blade. You're putting that original edge up as sharp as it'll get. They're quick, they're simple, anybody can do it. Yeah. Look at that, they feel sharper? It's a good. We're American made, lifetime guaranteed. We put our last name and website on the handle. Will it sharpen a filed knife, homemade? You bet it will. Show you. Well, here. Squeeze them in there nice and tight, draw through. Yeah. The rods are made to squeeze back so it follows the original edge. They're a titanium carbide. They rock well over 69, making it way harder than any factory-made knife and most handmade knives. You can hear it's getting smoother now.
Get easier, yeah.
And there it is.
Makes a difference. It does.
Look at that.
Yeah.
When you get to
How
that,
much time do you put on that?
you just keep the pressure in it, bring the back of the knife up.
It'll fit to any knife you put in there.
It'll adjust to your edge. Then when you get done to go to shaving sharp, use a leather strap, or you can use like an old pizza box lid, cardboard. Cardboard works too. And what this is doing, it polishes. Bring it the other way. And once you polish them up,
Oh yeah. Shave
you
with
can see it'll shave. To go super sharp, use your hand as a leather or your arm. Flip that blade back and forth for a few minutes. That'll actually take you sharper again. The oils in your skin is all you need. And that'll take them, well, you've seen it, shaving sharp.
Makes it sharper than
Black
new.
Sharpener,
Right.
we will sharpen any blade. American made. Sharpening a battle axe. Tampa, Florida gun show. Sharpeners are made to flex so they pick up on the original edge. Take that original edge up as sharp as it'll ever get. You see it works. 100% American made, lifetime guaranteed. The Black Sharpener will sharpen any blade.